Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive bright collections only for you. So let me display fresh, bright, beautiful, gorgeous also. And this one, silk linen, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen, very beautiful, bright color, based for your party wear, wedding functions. Very nice on soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen, bright yellow with contrast black dye border. This one border portions contrast color, black shaded border with fine hand weaving, Banarasi work border design. And this one pallu also very beautiful one, heavy worked pallu, fully golden zari contrast color, black shaded with golden zari heavy weaving design, Banarasi border pallu. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one full piece but bright fresh yellow shaded with contrast color, black border with heavy Banarasi weaving border design. Very smart, bright, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material, heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. This one also beautiful color combinations, fresh red shade, contrast purple border, same material, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen, very beautiful color combinations, fresh looks. This one full base part, beautiful color, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen with fine weaving Banarasi buta. And this one border portions contrast color dye with beautiful hand weaving Banarasi work border design. This one is pallu, contrast color with fine Banarasi weaving heavy worked pallu. And this one running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece. And this one is border portions, very bright, beautiful, fresh looks. This one is border contrast color, heavy Banarasi weaving border design. Banarasi weaving design, heavy worked border, based for your party wear, wedding functions. Very gorgeous looks. This one is full piece, beautiful color combinations. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding look, smart, bright, gorgeous also. This one also very beautiful one, purple with yellow contrast looks, very outstanding one, premium quality, base is plain, same material, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen, base is plain, purple, bright purple with contrast yellow Banarasi border. This one is border portions contrast color dye border with fine golden zari weaving Banarasi weaving work border design. And this one pallu, but pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color mustard yellow shaded with beautiful heavy golden zari fine weaving Banarasi work pallu. And this one full base part, very beautiful one. This one is full base, yellow contrast border with fine Banarasi weaving design, fully hand weaving work, very nice and bright looks. This one is full base part, purple shade, bright purple shade. And this one running blouse piece. And this one is full base, yellow contrast border. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, checks with buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding look, smart, bright, gorgeous also. This one also beautiful one, baby pink with contrast black border, very outstanding, smart, elegant color combinations, elegant but very gorgeous also. This one full base part, same material, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen Banarasi, contrast black border with fine weaving design Banarasi work border and pallu. This one is pallu, heavy worked, fully golden zari fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu. This one is fully Banarasi weaving work, very gorgeous looks. This one is running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece. And this one full base part baby pink base, contrast black border with golden zari fine heavy weaving design Banarasi border, fully hand weaving work. And this one full base part, baby pink shade with fine weaving design buta, fully golden zari fine weaving buta design Banarasi buta. And this one is full base part, very elegant, exclusive, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding look, smart, bright, gorgeous also. So very beautiful elegant one, same material, premium quality, pure handloom silk lane of white base, silk lane of white base with contrast yellow border, very nice on base is plain, very nice on elegant trendy looks, white base, and this one is contrast color dye border with heavy Banarasi weaving work. This one is border portions, fine weaving design, fully hand weaving, and this one pallu part, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful heavy Banarasi weaving work. This one is golden saree Banarasi weaving work, base is white silk lane, premium quality, and this one running blouse piece, very bright beautiful looks. This one is full base part, white base, and this one is border portions, contrast color dye border with fine Banarasi weaving design, heavy worked border design. This one full base part, white base silk lane, and this one is border fully hand weaving Banarasi work border design, very nice one. This one is full base part, white with yellow contrast looks, very exclusive, smart, elegant looks, bright also. This contrast blouse piece, beautiful one, bright pink silk with butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also pure organza with beautiful digital printed one, very bright beautiful elegant looks. This one full base part, premium quality, pure organza with digital print, very beautiful color combinations also. This one full base part, beautiful floral digital printed one, base is pure organza, soft lightweight, only 300 gram weight. This one is full base part. This one is pallu in beautiful lace design, very nice on elegant looks, fashionable also, pure organza with digital print without running blouse piece, only sari length. This one is full base part, beautiful digital printed one, pure organza base, very nice and exclusive looks. And I will suggest this pure silk material, premium quality with digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, trendy, fashionable looks. This one also same material, pure organza with beautiful digital printed one, very nice one, elegant look, soft lightweight, pure organza with digital print. This one full base part, beautiful one, pure organza base without running blouse piece, only sari length. This one is full base part, beautiful digital printed one, pure organza base, and this one pallu end, beautiful lace design, and this one full base part, very soft, comfortable also, organza base, only 300 gram weight, pure organza with digital print, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material, digital printed with small butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, trendy, smart looks. This one also beautiful color combinations, very nice one. Let me open. Same material, pure organza base with beautiful digital printed one without running blouse piece, only sari length, and very attractive look. This one full base part, beautiful digital printed one. This one is border portions, fully printed, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, beautiful printed, digital printed fully, and this one is lace design pallu end, very smart, bright looks without running blouse piece, only sari length, pure organza with digital print, very bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material, butta, weaving butta with digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. Same material, very smart looks, trendy one, and fully digital printed one, pure organza base with beautiful digital printed one, very smart, elegant printed, trendy looks. Let me open. This one full base part, very beautiful one, pure organza base, very colorful digital printed one, very smart looks. This one is full base part, beautiful printed, fully digital printed without running blouse piece, only sari length, and this one full base part, very smart, elegant, bright looks, fully digital printed one. This one is pallu end, lace design, and this one is full base, pure organza with digital printed one, very colorful, bright, fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material as with beautiful digital printed contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks, bright, fresh, trendy one. This one also very beautiful one, soft silk with heavy weaving design, threaded weaving design, full base part, same material. Today I have did different color only, and this one also beautiful color combinations. This one is full base part, and full base part is threaded weaving work, very nice on brocade pattern weaving design, full base very soft comfortable. This one is golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful threaded work, fully hand weaving work, very soft comfortable, soft silk, pure handloom soft silk with beautiful weaving design, brocade pattern weaving design, full base, very soft comfortable one. This one is pallu in, very smart looks. This one is pallu in, stripes highlighted with beautiful brocade pattern weaving design, very nice one. And this one full base part, soft lightweight comfortable, full base part is fine weaving design, fully hand weaving work, very nice one. This one is border golden zari, same material today I have draped, and this one running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, fully work but very soft comfortable one, threaded work, full base part, summer friendly also. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, elegant looks, bright also. This one also same material, same pattern, different color only, full base part is threaded work, brocade pattern, threaded weaving design, sky blue shade, golden zari border, and full base part is threaded work, weaving work. This one is full base part, very soft comfortable one, fully fine weaving design, fully hand work, hand weaving design. And this one pallu part, pallu is very beautiful one, highlighted stripes with beautiful brocade pattern weaving design, pallu. And this one is full base part, very soft comfortable, bright fresh looks. This one is full base part, fully comfortable one, very soft, fully heavy work but soft one, golden zari border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright looks. This one also very beautiful one, organza base, Banarasi border and buta design, and multicolored dye, very bright beautiful looks, best for your party wear. This one full base part, multicolor stripes pattern, full base part is dye with Banarasi weaving, buta design and border, very nice one, smart, trendy looks, bright also. This one is full base part, multicolor contrast, multicolor dye, full base part. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy weaving design, Banarasi weaving work, pallu. And this one is running blouse piece, fully brocade work, running blouse piece, fully weaving work. And this one full base part, multicolored dye with golden zari weaving, buta and Banarasi work border design, very elegant one, smart, bright, gorgeous looks, best for your party wear, organza base, transparent. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks, bright, gorgeous, traditional also. Very beautiful, bright looks, bright black shade, handloom soft silk, golden zari border, and full base part is Lahariya pattern, fully stitching weaving design, Lahariya pattern, full base part, very elegant looks, soft comfortable one. This one full base part, Lahariya pattern, full base, fully stitching, fine stitching weaving design, Lahariya pattern, full base part, stitching stripes, stitching weaving design. And this one is golden zari border, black base, and full base part is threaded work, very soft comfortable one. And this one full base part, and this one is pallu end, golden zari highlighted stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very soft comfortable, smart, elegant looks, Lahariya pattern and fully weaving design, stitching weaving pattern, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, stitching stripes, and this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, bright, fresh, smart looks. And I will suggest this soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright looks. This one also same material, different color only, pink, bright fresh pink shade with same weaving design, stitching pattern weaving work, full base Lahariya design. This one full base part, soft, lightweight, and this one is golden zari border, pink base, and full base part is stitching design, stitching weaving design Leheria pattern, and this one is full base part, soft silk, pure handloom one, soft, comfortable. And this one, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fine golden zari stripes pallu. And this one, full base part, very nice one, exclusive, smart, trendy looks and beautiful color combinations, fully weaving Leheria design, stitching pattern, weaving work, golden zari and fully hand weaving, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, a stitching stripes pattern, running blouse piece, and this one is full piece, beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, outstanding daily looks. This one also in a very beautiful one, soft silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, pink base, contrast color dye border, and this one full base part, very smart, trendy look, soft silk, very comfortable one also. This one is contrast color dye with weaving design, Banarasi weaving border design, and this one full base part, soft lightweight pink base, and full base is heavy weaving work. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye pallu with beautiful heavy weaving design, fully weaving work, very gorgeous looks also. This one is running blouse piece, fully brocade work, running blouse piece, and this one full base part, pink base, beautiful color, and this one is contrast border with Banarasi weaving work, very nice and soft, lightweight, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, bright also. So very beautiful one, pure premium quality Chanderi silk, golden shade and highlighted 1" 1/2" golden zari border with beautiful embroidery buta design, heart shape buta design, very smart, elegant, trendy looks. This one full base part, golden shade, and this one is pure premium quality Chanderi silk, highlighted 1/2" golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful fine embroidery work, buta, heart shape buta design, embroidery buta, very nice one, very soft, comfortable one, pure Chanderi silk. And this one is pallu and beautiful pom-pom design, and this one full base part, very elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom Chanderi silk with embroidery buta, very soft, comfortable one, highlighted golden zari border, and this one is full base one, very outstanding, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright fresh looks. This one also same material, premium quality pure Chanderi silk, pure handloom Chanderi silk, highlighted golden zari 1/2" border, and full base part is fine embroidery buta design, very smart looks, baby pink base, golden zari highlighted 1" border. This one is full base part, this one is border, 1/2" highlighted golden zari border, premium quality pure handloom Chanderi silk, pure Chanderi silk with buta, embroidery buta, heart shape embroidery buta design, very nice one, elegant, smart, trendy looks, beautiful one, soft, comfortable obviously. And this one is pallu and beautiful pom-pom design, and this one full base part, very comfortable one, summer friendly, premium quality pure handloom Chanderi silk with embroidery design, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, elegant looks, beautiful one. And this one also very beautiful, gorgeous looks, bright also, based for your party wear, wedding functions, very nice one, organza base and buta design, Banarasi buta, and this one full base part, bright looks. This one is beautiful bright color, contrast border with Banarasi weaving design border, and pallu very bright one, and this one is organza base, golden zari fine weaving buta design, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color dye pallu with heavy golden zari brocade pattern, fine weaving design, Banarasi work, and this one running blouse piece, fully worked running blouse piece, golden zari, and this one full base part, very bright beautiful one, based for your party wear, wedding functions. This one is border portions, contrast color dye border with fine Banarasi weaving work, and this one is full base part, beautiful bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, bright, gorgeous looks, best for your party wear. Also, same material, bright looks, best for your party wear. Very nice and bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks and beautiful color combinations. Also mustard yellow with red contrast dye border. This one full base part, organza base contrast color dye border with Banarasi weaving design. And this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, heavy worked design, pocket pattern weaving design, pallu, Banarasi pallu. And this one is running blouse piece, fully heavy worked. And this one border portion, very nice one, fully bright looks, contrast red border, dye border with beautiful Banarasi weaving work. And this one is full base but beautiful fine weaving buta design, organza Banarasi, very bright beautiful looks. This one is full base and this one is border, very nice and bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous party looks. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, as already I have mentioned, that soft silk material with pure handloom one, golden zari border, and full base part is fine weaving design, threaded work, fully work. This one is full base part is weaving threaded work. And this one blue shade, this one is pallu parts, highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving design, full base part, very soft, comfortable one, and very beautiful saree, very comfortable one, and with beautiful jewelry also. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.